example, if you have trouble hearing certain frequencies, the AI will know and adjust the sound output to match your exact needs. It's all about providing a hearing experience that feels natural and customized just for you. Additionally, AI-enabled hearing aids offer better battery management. The intelligent algorithms allow the devices to be energy efficient while still delivering premium sound quality. This means you can enjoy your hearing aids for longer periods without constantly worrying about changing or charging batteries. AI is also making huge strides in speech recognition. The technology helps filter out unwanted noises and enhances the clarity of speech. For those who struggle to hear specific voices or conversations in a group setting, AI powered hearing aids can distinguish between speech and environmental noise, ensuring the words you need to hear are amplified, while the background noise fades into the background. This is particularly useful in social situations, business meetings, or family gatherings where multiple conversations are happening at once. Moreover, AI hearing aids can even adjust their settings depending on the time of the day or the user's activity. For example, if you're watching television, your hearing aid might boost the sound from the TV while reducing other background noises. In a quiet environment like a library, it might focus on the softest sounds. With AI, these adjustments happen automatically without any manual intervention. But as with any new technology, it's important to remember that AI in hearing aids is still evolving. While many devices are already incredibly smart, the potential of AI in hearing aids is still being explored. As machine learning algorithms improve, we can expect these devices to continue getting better at predicting user needs and delivering an even more personalized experience.